Good morning everyone. In this particular video, we will be discussing how exactly to create Microsoft Teams account. The management of the college have suggested for online live classes. So with the help of Microsoft Teams, we will be conducting the online live classes. The timetable of the classes will be posted in your WhatsApp group once after everything is been finalized. Now, what happens is, firstly, the lecturers will be adding your respective email IDs into the Microsoft Teams account. Once they add your email ID into your Microsoft Teams account, you will be getting a mail as shown in the video. You will be getting a mail to your mail ID that will be having a name as Microsoft Teams. Okay, so by making use of Microsoft Teams, you will be creating an account for every student. So each and every student whose email ID is been added, they will be getting a mail with the name as mentioned in the pic. I have marked the mail. You will be getting a mail that is Microsoft Teams. Once you get the mail to your mail ID, the next thing what you have to do is you have to open that particular mail. You will be getting like this. You have been added as a guest to Sahyadri College in Microsoft Teams. So this is the demo version. So just I have given my own credentials. So you will be getting a mail. When you open this mail, you will be having this particular screen on your mobile or else on your laptop. Once of you open this thing, you have to click on Open Microsoft Teams. I have marked that. You have to just click on that particular thing, that is Open Microsoft Teams. When you click on that particular Open Microsoft Teams, you will be redirected to another one page. Okay, you take your own time and you have to do it. There is no hurry in doing anything fastly. If you are missing any one of the steps, again you will not be having any credentials, or else you will be losing your your password or else some of the things. So you have to go step by step without any hurry. So you will be having an access to the Microsoft Teams, and you have to remember your password, everything, and I am mentioning it. If you are sharing your credentials, that is your user ID and your password with your friends, when you people are logging into the live class, what happens is you will not be able to, one of the student, both the students will not be able to hear the voice. That is the thing. So once you do that, you will be getting, when you click on Open Microsoft Teams, you will be getting this particular screen. Looks like you don't have an account. We will create one for you using your email ID will be mentioned over there. And then what you have to do is you have to click on next. Okay, you take your time for look at the video. I will be sending the pics of this step by step wise also how to create. So you have to look into the video 2 to 3 times and then you have to follow the steps. Okay, that is been mentioned in the video, and I will be sending all the screenshots as well or in the form of the slides. You can have a look at that also, so that there will be no mistake that will be done by any of the students. Okay, so once you do get the mail, you have to click on Open Microsoft Teams, and then you have to will be redirected to another window like this. You will be getting a screen like this, and then over there you have to click next. Once when you click next, you will be again redirected to this particular page, create password. You will be getting this particular thing, create password. So you have to create your own password. Make sure you create a strong password, and make sure you will remember the password, and you will be making a note of that particular password. And I'm warning you again and again, if you are sharing this particular password, suppose one of the student is sharing his password with another one, what happens is, if both of them are trying to attend the online class using the same credentials, that is with the same user ID and password, your mic will not be working. That is, both the students will not be able to hear the lecture that is being given by your lecturers. So make sure you won't be sharing your credentials with others. So you have to create your own password. Make sure you create a password that will be remembered. Okay, once you create the password, then what happens is, you will be getting another one page. You will be redirected to another one page. There you will be asking verify email. Enter the code that is sent to your email. Their demo forms 9 is being given as an email. So you will be here in the place of demo forms 9, you will be having your own email ID. In the place of demo forms 9, you will be having your own email ID. So there you have to do that. You will be getting that thing. When you get this particular thing, again you have to go back to your email ID. You have to go back your email or else mail. Then you have to check for another mail. You have to check for another mail. In that mail, instead of Microsoft Teams, you will be getting Microsoft Teams verification, something like that. I'll show you the thing. So when you get this, you have to pause the screen, or else you have to go back to the mail. So verify your email address. Like this, you will be getting Microsoft account team. Verify your email address will be the subject of your mail. There you will be having a 4-digit code. Okay, I have marked that code. That code needs to be noted. That code needs to be noted, and then that code needs to be entered into that particular place. That is, in the previous pic I have shown you the thing. So there you have to go and you have to type this particular 4 digits code. Each and every student will be getting different codes for their respective addresses. So there you have to type this particular code. Hope you people have understanding. If you have any doubts in creating the account, you have to contact your respective teachers so that they can clarify your doubts. You don't have to go and create some give some wrong data, and then it will be creating a mess, or else you will not be able to create an account. So that it will be affecting your online classes. So make sure you are entering the right data that is being provided to your mail, that has been received to your mail. Once you enter this particular 4 digits code, okay, you will be redirected to another window. You will be redirected to another window. That is, this is the thing. And then what happens is, you might be getting a message, or else you might be getting a image. They might ask you to rotate. In the image might be upside down. You have to rotate it and you have to place it in the right direction. Okay, once after that you enter the code, you will be getting this particular message, that is Sahyadri College .microsoft.com has been invited you to participate into the online session or something like that. Once you click on accept, your your Microsoft account will be created. So thank you everyone.